And you can see here that we have three ticket types here. So we are basically, the scope of the whole project is to automate the validation lifecycle end to end with minimum human intervention and maximizing the speed at least by 10x for the manual processes, right? So here we have three scope. One is, generating the URS, user requirement specification document. The second is the test case generation from the URS itself. And the third is the automation of the test cases which are generated. So, the whole validation package is, we are taking care of it. From the designing of the requirements to the validation and to generating GxP compliant test protocol execution reports for the application that is under the validation, right? So everything is being taken care of by our agents that we have designed for for end-to-end automating your validation lifecycle, right? So you can see first we have here the URL generation, where the user will come and enter the scope of the application, basically what is in the scope for validation, and the URL of the application, basically what application we are going to test, right? What application we have to validate, what is going to be in the scope for the testing. So the user will enter the information in the simple Jira ticket, very simple, easy to use front-end UI for the user, and which will connect to our backend, which we have posted on Azure. And what we will do is that we just have to specify the scope in natural language, and our agent, which is here, which is connected to our common knowledge base. So here, the key aspect is the knowledge base that we have developed internally. Various user manuals, various documents related to the application that is under the validation. And additionally, user can add their own documents, images, or something like that they want as a part of the validation. They can add it on their side as well. So, in our common knowledge base, it is the central part of our architecture, where we have stored and created a knowledge base out of user manuals for the various applications. So let's say we are creating a URS for Jira, right? In our knowledge base, whatever knowledge is there around the Jira application will be taken into consideration while generating the URS. Our agent will take care of that on its own. And at the end of the whole processes, you will get a proper Word document in the GxP compliant way, and that will automatically get attached to your ticket.